Welcome to our session on Advanced Copilot at Work for April 30th. Get ready to supercharge your productivity. Copilot is already transforming how we work, but today we're diving into features that take it to the next level. Our focus today is on leveraging advanced features like dynamic prompts, multi-step tasks, and data analysis integration. Let's start with dynamic prompts, a game changer for context-aware interactions. Dynamic prompts allow Copilot to understand the context of your current work, leading to highly relevant and precise outputs. We'll walk through a scenario demonstrating how this feature drafts an email, summarizing a long document, far exceeding basic summarization capabilities. Next, let's look at multi-step tasks, enabling Copilot to handle complex, chained commands. You can now set up Copilot to execute a sequence of actions, such as analyzing a dataset, creating a presentation deck, and sending a summary email. This workflow efficiency gain is enormous, automating hours of manual work with a single, complex prompt. Finally, let's explore data analysis integration, a powerful feature for data-driven insights. Copilot can now analyze data directly within compatible applications, allowing you to ask questions about your spreadsheets or databases immediately. It interprets complex analytical results and translates them into plain language, making data accessible to everyone. Now we open the floor for your questions about these advanced capabilities and discuss our next steps. To summarize, these advanced Copilot features are designed to handle more nuanced tasks, automate multi-step workflows, and integrate data analysis seamlessly. Please share your feedback and suggest future training topics. We're committed to helping you master Copilot.